So you may be asking yourself, what is this chicken shit bullshit? Well, today, it's your lucky day. I'm gonna explain to you every step in solving this problem. I'm gonna take it slow too. So let's just jump right the hell in here. Step one is identifying your problem. Pretty basic step, probably the easiest in the entire damn it. So this is some shit, and you're like, huh, yeah, well, looks like a problem. And as with any problem, you're gonna want to answer, so you can't just be left hanging there with a dry dick. So, step two is use logic and math skills to begin solving your problem. So this is our original problem, and all we're gonna do is take this part of the under the radical movement and put it over here on this side next to the 7. Why? Well, you're just gonna want to do it. So then you take this shit right here, this second line that you got just from doing this step, and to get rid of the radical movements, you're gonna square them. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, with step 3. But with step 2, you're definitely using logic, for sure. Now, step 3, like I said, is where it gets fucking complicated. Because actually, you're just gonna have to say fuck logic altogether. This is what we did in the last step, right here. Now, this is the next step. Okay, now you may be asking me a couple questions, like, what the fuck is that 14? And what the hell is this shit? Well, let me try to explain. We squared these two to get rid of this squiggly thing. Second x squared is actually the square root of. So you're gonna get the square of the square root of and get that shit out of here. You don't want that. So you get that right here. And ignoring all these numbers, why don't you get it here? Well, I'll tell you why. Because what you're gonna want to do here is this, okay? Don't question it. You just fucking do. Now, next, the 14. Let me tell you, you multiply 2 and 7 together and the negative 1 here to get negative 14. And then 2 squared is the 749. Yeah, so then to simplify a little bit, you're going to take all your numbers over here and do some math and shit. And all in the end it equals 14. But this 14, remember, this one here, it's fucking mystery as to how we got it. I don't know to this day. So then, this is what you got. You're also going to want to give your x's because you're going to across the plane and they're going to cancel out, whatever. They're going to equilateral. So this is all you're left with. 0 equals 14 under the ass x minus 16. Okay, so fuck logic, because logically what I would do next is take this shit and do exactly what I did prior to and square that shit to get rid of the radical fucking exponent square root, and then this is x. But actually, no! I said fuck logic, remember? I said it for a reason, because actually you have to divide by 7. In which case, how the fuck did you even in the first place? But then, why would you even if you're just gonna this and then you're gonna that? Actually, x equals 20. This, no, 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 no. Actually, no. So, your last step is to give a fuck. X equals 20. That won't help me fuck bitches. You're damn right it won't, Raptor Zone. You're damn fucking right. It sure as hell won't.